Files handling in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this new Python lesson. The file handling part is a very important part in applications development. You will learn here how to create, read and update files. The most important function we will use with all operations here is the open function. The open function is working with files in Python programming language. The open function takes two parameters or arguments. The first parameter or argument is called the name of the file. The name of the file we want to create, read or update. The second parameter or argument is called mode. There are four modes we use with files to open them. Let's list all of them. First of all, R. It refers to read, and this is the default value. It opens a file for reading and it returns error if the file doesn't exist. The second one is A. A refers to append. It opens a file for appending, and also it creates the file if it doesn't exist. The third one is W, refers to write. It opens a file for writing and it creates the file if it doesn't exist also. And the last one is called X. It refers to create. It creates the specified file and it returns error if the file exists. In addition, you can specify if the file should be handled as binary or text mode. There are two additional modes for that. T refers to text and B refers to the binary mode. And this is the syntax to open a file for reading. It's enough to specify the name of the file. Let's create a text file so we can read it in Python. We will call this text file demo.txt. Text files ending with the extension .text, and make sure to put that extension at the end of the file name.